Hello friends, I'm Rajveer and this video is about a product which I have recently purchased, which is Boya BY-M1 mic. So I got to know a lot of features about this Boya mic and I was so excited, so I just ended up purchasing it. And when I received this order, I just didn't wait for a single minute. I just inserted 3.5 mm jack inside the phone and I just started recording it, and to my surprise nothing was recorded. And I got really fed up. I did many research. I thought that this mic may be the broken one, and it might have some manufacturing defect, and so I just decided to return it. But it was only later, like I just did some research and I found that this BY-M1 mic is not very much compatible with your smartphone. And if you are going to use like this mic with your smartphone, you would have to have some extra application. So I just got to know that the open camera is one such application. If you are gonna record anything with your camera, you would have to download this open camera application, which you are seeing right now on my screen. So once you have downloaded it, and let me tell you that this applications can be easily downloaded from the Play Store. It is available there. So just click on open camera. And one more thing, that when you have BY-M1 in your hand and you are going to record anything with your smartphone, don't insert the cell which you have received inside the BY-M1 mic, because if you are recording with your smartphone, it doesn't, the mic doesn't require any additional power or the support of cell. But yes, if you are going to record BY-M1 you are going to use this mic with the camera or DSLR, the professional DSLR, you would have to insert that cell which you have received along with this BY-M1. So you don't have to insert the cell which you have received, and once everything is fixed, you have inserted the 3.5 mm jack in the jack of your phone, just click on open camera, which you have to download first. And once you have downloaded it, you have to click on open camera application. So here I am clicking, and once you click on it, you have to go in the setting option, like you are seeing on the top right hand side corner. You have to click here, and then you have to scroll down, and you have to go in the video setting, and then video setting you have to click on audio source. And once you click on audio source, you will be getting these option. So most of the time it is recommended that you must use optimize for voice calls, because I have tried all of them, and for my best, this is the option which suited the best to my phone. And once you click on it, everything is done. Go back and start recording from here. So again, you don't have to record from your phone inbuilt camera, because our phone inbuilt camera doesn't allow to record anything with external mic. So that is why it is recommended that we must use this open camera application. So once you have downloaded it, and you have to just click it and start recording by pressing here. So you would find it very difficult, and amazingly, what I have found great about this Boya M1 mic is that it is the greatest mic which I have ever received, or which I am going to use ever, because this has a very great capturing quality. It captures the voice with the greatest way possible, and it has a very crystal clear sound. So I guess that everyone who is looking for a best mic to purchase anything, so this one would be the best. So again, I'm showing you, this is the Boya M1 mic which I purchased, and it looks fantastic. And I would recommend everyone to purchase it if you are going to make any video for YouTube or even for the TikTok or anything. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have any query, any suggestion, or any difficulty using this Boya M1 mic, please do give me a comment in my comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and take care.